The general treatment for sleep apnea is a CPAP, which is continuous positive airway pressure. They wear a mask or a nose piece and it pushes air down the throat basically. Many people cannot stand wearing it, they cannot wear it enough to make it make a difference. So that's where dental appliances come in. Dental sleep apnea appliances are designed to reposition the jaw for an open airway position. So it opens up the airway, moves the lower jaw out, and therefore people can breathe easier through the night and sleep better.